So you've heard that AI is all the craze.
Absolutely.
Tools like ChatGPT and many others have taken the world by storm.
Definitely.
And we want to show you how you can use AI to help you grow your businesses. We actually have a special guest on the day who's going to be sharing some deep insights on how you can grow your businesses. And when you come, you'll also be able to network with businesses just like yours and be able to share insights and hopefully connect into business together.
Listen, you've heard about our events and you've seen the clips. It isn't a joke, it's a free event, and here we teach exactly what our clients pay us to deliver to them. So we are bringing industry experts in for you, and today we are focusing on how to make AI work for your business. It's important that you future-proof your knowledge so that when you are entering into the marketplace, whether as a business or even as an employee, that you understand the key tools which are useful in AI and how AI can use to enhance your work and not overpower it. So remember, it's going to be on the 18th of September, 7 p.m. at the Haute Dolci restaurant, Greenwich, the O2 Arena, a great venue where we can sit down, we can break bread together, and we can learn how to develop and grow. Listen, we're about future thinking. We've developed a specific platform called the Code Hub. We want you to join that. We want you to get to know, and also we're going to be telling you about our very top secret masterclass that is coming soon as well. So it's packed full of excitement, and trust me, when you check the testimonials on the channel, you'll understand you need to be there. So go and register now. Leif, what do they need to do? Register.
Just remember, September the 18th at 7 p.m. at Haute Dolci in the Greenwich O2. Be there and go and get your tickets right now.
Don't waste time. Why are you still here? I should see you tapping. Get your.
Go. Why are you here? Let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Go and get your tickets. All right. See you there.